These are the people that run directly into it.
I got two kids of my own. We're working on everything we can to save your boy.
Joe, I'm losing his airway. I'm gonna have to crush
She
him
has
right
the
now.
hiccups tonight.
Yeah, I got two people.
His mother? Absolutely not.
He'll die, Joe.
Okay, I'm your sister.
All right, so your sister, come on.
We don't have a moment. Hold on, someone. Gotta hold.
And that big lump right there is her.
Trauma.
I love my job.